What if I told you that the same technology powering your phone's assistant could one day decide whether you live or die? That the friendly AI helping you shop online might be secretly judging you based on your race, gender, or income? From silent surveillance to digital discrimination, artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's a mirror, exposing the darkest corners of our ethics. And the worst part? It's growing smarter, faster, and with fewer rules than ever before. Welcome to the dark side of AI. Stick around, because this is the part of artificial intelligence no one's talking about, but everyone should know. Artificial intelligence promises a future full of convenience, automation, and innovation. It's powering medical breakthroughs, self-driving cars, and virtual assistants that know us better than our friends. But beneath that glossy surface lies a troubling reality. As AI becomes more powerful, questions around ethics, bias, privacy, and control are becoming impossible to ignore. What happens when machines begin making decisions that affect real people, without accountability? How do we prevent AI from being weaponized, exploited, or turned into a surveillance tool? And who's responsible when things go wrong? The machine or the human behind it? In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the ethical nightmares brewing in the world of AI and what they mean for your future. Let's get into it. 1. Algorithmic bias. When AI learns our worst habits, AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. But here's the catch. Our world is biased, and so is our data. When AI algorithms are trained on historical data that reflects racism, sexism, or socioeconomic inequality, they learn to replicate and even amplify those patterns. One infamous case? The Compass algorithm used in U.S. courts to predict criminal recidivism. It was found to unfairly label black defendants as higher risk compared to white ones, even when the facts didn't support it. Facial recognition software also performs worse on darker-skinned individuals, particularly women, a dangerous flaw in systems being used for law enforcement and surveillance. These aren't bugs. They're features of a system built without checks, diverse representation, or ethical design. Bias in AI doesn't just reflect our societal issues. It automates them, making injustice faster, colder, and harder to detect. 2. Surveillance and privacy, the eyes that never blink. In the name of safety and efficiency, AI is being used to monitor people on an unprecedented scale. From street cameras powered by facial recognition to social media algorithms that track our every click. Surveillance has gone invisible, but omnipresent. In countries like China, AI is central to a social credit system that tracks citizens' behaviors, from shopping habits to political opinions. The consequences: being banned from flights, denied loans, or losing job opportunities, all judged by opaque algorithms. Even in democracies, governments and corporations are tapping into AI for surveillance, often without informed consent. AI doesn't need sleep, doesn't ask for overtime, and doesn't forget a face. It remembers everything, and sometimes more than we want it to. This raises chilling questions. What's the cost of security? And who's watching the watchers? 3. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI as a weapon of deception. AI doesn't just analyze reality, it can now fabricate it. Deepfakes, hyper-realistic videos created by AI, can make anyone appear to say or do anything. While they're often used in memes or movies, the darker applications are already here. Imagine a fake video of a world leader declaring war, a doctored audio clip of a CEO resigning, or a synthetic news anchor spreading state-sponsored propaganda. This isn't science fiction. In 2023, a deep fake of the Pope in a puffer jacket went viral. It was harmless, but it showed how believable fake content has become. In the wrong hands, AI-generated media becomes a powerful tool of deception, eroding public trust, undermining elections, and fueling social chaos. And the worst part? There's no easy way to tell what's real anymore. If AI can make us doubt even our own eyes and ears, what happens to truth? 4. AI and job displacement. Replacing humans without a plan. While AI is often praised for increasing productivity, it's also replacing millions of jobs across industries, from truck drivers to call center agents, cashiers to content writers. What sets AI apart from past automation is its reach. It's not just blue-collar jobs, but also white-collar roles now at risk. The danger isn't just unemployment, it's unplanned displacement. Many workers are being left without the skills or safety nets needed to transition. Meanwhile, tech giants profit as entire professions vanish overnight. Ethically speaking, should we let AI evolve without first considering its human cost? 5. Autonomous weapons, the ethics of machines that kill. Perhaps the most chilling application of AI lies in warfare. Autonomous weapons, drones, tanks, or robots, powered by AI, can now select and eliminate targets without human input. This raises an urgent ethical dilemma. Should machines be allowed to decide who lives and who dies? The UN has debated banning these weapons, but progress is slow. Meanwhile, countries and defense contractors race to develop smarter, deadlier AI systems. The fear? A world where war becomes easier to wage and accountability harder to assign. Once a lethal AI decision is made, there's no undo button. And when these technologies fall into the wrong hands, the consequences could be catastrophic. 6. Lack of regulation. The Wild West of AI. Despite its immense power, AI remains largely unregulated. Tech companies often operate in legal gray zones, releasing AI models with little oversight, transparency, or ethical review. Unlike medicine or aviation, there's no global standard or watchdog for AI safety. That's like building nuclear plants without safety inspectors. Even AI pioneers like Elon Musk and Jeffrey Hinton have sounded the alarm, warning of AI running amok without ethical safeguards. The problem? Regulation is slow, innovation is fast, and profits speak louder than caution. If we don't act now, we risk creating a future where AI is governed not by laws or ethics, but by who has the most money and power. AI is not evil, but it's not inherently good either. It's a tool, one that reflects the values, intentions, and blind spots of those who create it. We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to a future where AI enhances life, uplifts humanity, and solves real problems. The other? A dystopia where power is automated, bias is amplified, and the human touch is replaced by cold code. The question isn't whether AI will shape our future, it's who will shape AI. That answer starts with us. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to see the darker side of AI. And remember, just because we can build it doesn't mean we should. Stay aware, stay critical, and stay human.